Okay. So much fun here at Nostar Philly Hotel. So na diri mi nakastay day on sa 11th floor. Thank you rin ni Sisi for inviting me here, no? So naka-experience jud si Oka aning dapita. So si Inday enjoy kaayo ani. Yes? Okay. Grabe jud kuno niya ka enjoy kay ang kaning nga swimming pool good isakto kay para niya. So grabe jud siya ka enjoy. Yun siya happy daw kuno ka siya.
There's also 2 feet on the 4th floor.
Naapoy pool dito sa 4th floor. Okay.
And it's also 2 feet.
Ah, sakto po ka dito. Okay.
You think the
Okay, enjoy good.
It's so big.
Big di ay kayo. Okay.
More like a whole elephant can drink it.
Dako swimming pool eh. Oh, kabirang dua oh.